Birds can walk on the ground and fly as well. Some birds can also swim in water. A bird has streamlined body. Its bones are light and strong. They are hollow and have air spaces between them. The lower portion of limbs are modified as claws, which help them to walk and to perch. The breast bones are modified to hold muscle flight muscles, which help in moving wings up and down. Birds have special flight muscles and the forelimbs are modified as wings. The wings and tails have long feathers which help in flying. Birds show two types of flight. They are gliding and flapping. For more videos, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and share the video to all your friends.